Oh my god. Oh.
Oh.
This was supposed to be a pretty aesthetic shot.
It was. Until I did it.
This is more realistic. Good job.
How would you have done it differently?
Differently.
Oh. You didn't even describe it. You just said differently. It's supposed to mimic the waves of the ocean.
Well,
It does.
looks like the ocean.
It does. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right.
Oh, and he put little jalapenos in there.
Yes, I did. I think they're all on that one side. Okay, so you think you could do better?
I think I can do different.
Oh, let's see. That's nowhere near the technique I used. It's totally wrong. Look at that. You're calmly placing on there. You're supposed to splash down. That's just not even fair. Look at that. Keeping in the edges like you're cool. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. There it is. Oh. Still some more in there.
We'll eat that.
Okay. Wow. So this or that?
Stop!
That.
They both look the same.
No, they don't.
Yes, they do.
No, they don't.
Yes, they do.
Motion of the ocean. Calm and gentle stream.
Literally the same.
And she stuck the landing. That's good. Oh, tiny bit of seasoning. Ooh, gotta refill those grinders, by the way.
Yeah.
Yes, I do.
I didn't know you were on that app.
There's a lot of things you don't know about me.
Hey. Do you want to do this part?
No. I can't do any of it.
Yes, you can.
No, I cannot.
Alright, just for that, you're doing it.
Oh,
Here.
no, it's gonna be terrible.
No, it's not. It's gonna be
Ooh, I'm
perfect.
gonna ruin it. Watch me. Okay, everybody, watch me ruin it. Oh, I've already started, apparently.
It is perfect.
No,
Yes.
no. Let's see if he can be consistently terrible.
There you go.
There he goes.
It looks great. Good job.
Thank you.
Live action Mulan is free now.
Yeah!
Ow!
Ow!
Oh, I did not want to pay extra money to watch that movie.
I gotta get a prosthetic hand.
Oh, you'll be fine.
No, won't.
So I have a lot of laundry to put away.
We have a lot of money.
No, you have work to do. I have laundry to put away.
Oh.
Yes. So I'm gonna do that. And then I want to go through my t-shirt drawer because it's getting to be too much. Okay, it's your turn.
No, it's yours.
No, it's not. I did it last
Oh,
time.
you broke the camera. Look
No,
what you
it's
did.
fine.
Objects and mirrors are closer than they appear. Okay. Whoop.
No, we did 7.
Damn it. Yes.
Oh my gosh, what's the dog's name? I forgot the dog's name.
Babe, you know the dog's name.
2 more strikes and I'll lose my fan card. Oh, it's Fang!
Fang. Wolfbane, yeah.
No, what?
So.
So cute.
So cute.
Day 8.
Day 8. Haha. That was,
Broke it.
now I can't get in there.
Can't get over Hedwig inside the...
Yeah.
Anyway, that's the end of the vlog. Let's zoom you guys out so you're not that close to my face.
We all want to be close to your face.
No, no you don't.
Yes, we do.
No, you do.
Look at those tiny little sexy pores you have.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys are all staying safe and healthy. Be nice to each other. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Bye.